Are you going to attend training for Nokia Mobile? And worried about your attendance? Relax, you can easily mark your training dates as training on the Tribe app. Go to the dashboard screen and under Attendance, tap on Details icon. Here, color legends on the calendar helps you identify your attendance in better manner. To mark the day under training, tap the date on calendar you want to start your training. Tap on Apply for training. Please remember, training cannot be applied for past date. Training start is already captured. Enter training end date from calendar icon. Enter the training name or training description after entering training dates. Tap on Submit after providing all details. All done. You will now see that the selected dates have been highlighted in light blue color. Do you want to cancel your activity on attendance calendar? Do not worry. Tribe allows you to cancel your leave, your training and also scheduled outlet or week off on calendar. Under Dashboard, tap on Details icon beside Attendance. The steps demonstrated in this video could be followed for cancellation of leave, sick leave, training, week off, and outlet off. After opening the calendar, tap on date that you want to cancel. As an example, if you want to cancel leave applied on 24th of December 2018, then tap on this date. Tap on Cancel Leave on the pop-up. Now consider a second example, where you want to cancel training applied on 23rd of December 2018. Again, tap on this date. Tap on Cancel Training on the pop-up. It was so simple, isn't it? Now you can see that there are no color legends under cancel dates. It confirms that your leave and training has been cancelled. Did you sell Nokia mobile phone? And wondering that how to claim incentive? Launch the Nokia Mobile Tribe app on your smartphone and log in with your registered mobile number. Under Dashboard, go to Product Sellout. Tap on Record to scan or enter IMEI of the sold device. Now, you have landed on incentive page of the Tribe app. On the top of incentive screen, you can see incentive amount earned so far. And you can also see the incentive amount pending to be credited. Under Scan Barcode option, the app shows lists of products applicable for incentives. Tap on Scan Barcode to scan or enter the IMEI of the sold device. Scan the barcode using your mobile phone camera, or you may enter the IMEI manually. Tap on Submit button. You can see the scan or manually entered IMEI on the top of the screen. Enter your comment in the box below IMEI number. Tap on option Upload to attach invoice or bill of the sold device. Tap on Submit option. After providing all details, it's done. You have landed on the last screen of IMEI submission. IMEI submission is successful if you see green color tick mark. There are 4 different stages of incentive payout. Stage 1. IMEI submission. The status turns green when the entered IMEI is successfully submitted and synced with database. Stage 2. IMEI validation. The status turns green when the submitted IMEI is successfully validated and no dispute exists. If the submitted IMEI is not valid, or it is already submitted by other promoter, then validation gets failed and status turns red. The incentive payout process stops if at any stage the status turns red. Stage 3. Incentive validation. This stage shows that the entered IMEI is successfully validated and the payout is being validated for the scanned product. Incentive pay. This is the last stage of incentive process after IMEI validation and incentive validation are successful. After all successful validations, the applicable incentive amount is paid out to the promoter, and the status turns green. Do you want more details on product sellout status and transaction statement? Under Dashboard, tap on any one of the status string which you want to see in details. You land on Transaction Statement page where you see details of transactions under respective status tabs. Select or tap any status tab to view its transaction details. Activation date of the sold device is also visible on this screen. Tribe app also provides you product-wise transaction statement. On Transactions Statement page, tap on Filter icon. Products list opens up after tapping on Filter icon. Select the product for which you want to see the statement. Then, tap on Apply. Now, you can see the statement only for selected or filtered product. To see details of any particular transaction, tap on one of the transaction ID. Now, you can see the transaction in details, starting from IMEI submission. Activation date is also visible at the bottom of screen. Now, do you want to see transaction statement between any particular date range? It is very simple and it is available at your fingertips. Click on View Transaction Statement under Transactions screen. Select from Date using the first calendar icon and select to Date from the second calendar icon. Tap on Generate Transaction Statement button. There you go. You get all transaction details within selected date range. Again, see transactions details by tapping on respective status tabs. Do you want to see your sellout volume and value achieved for current month? Tap on Report icon beside Product Sellout. Here, you can see total 4 reports. First report is Value-Based Target Set for Promoter versus Promoter's Achievement for current month. Beside the product you can see your target value, and next column will show the value achieved. In the second report, the column sub shows you number of IMEI submitted by you. Here, you can also see number of valid IMEI submissions for each Nokia mobile device. Number of IMEI rejected could also be found on this screen. Under column SR, you can see number of sales returned for each product. Scroll down for the third report. This report shows you number of validated products sold by you and value earned for these validated products. In the fourth and last report, submission summary of valid transactions of current month versus valid transactions of last month could be seen in the panel below the table. Go through this report whenever you want to know about volume and value achieved against the set target. Do you know that Tribe app provides your earnings summary of last 3 months? Log in to the Tribe app. Tap on Menu option at the bottom of screen. Tap on Earnings and Point Summary. Now, you can see My Earnings screen. On the top of the screen, you can see your total earnings in rupees. Earnings for the current month is visible on left side of the screen. Here, you have bar graph called as Earnings History. It shows your last 3 months of earning. Now, go ahead and tap one of the bar on graph. Did you notice the change in color? The color changes from gray to green, and earnings for that particular month is visible on top of the bar. You can do the same for rest of the months on this graph to know your earnings. Did you sell Nokia gears? Great. Now go ahead and add gear sellout data on the Tribe app. Gear sellout panel can be found on the dashboard, listed under your activities. Now, tap Start. You will now be able to add the amount of gear sold as per category. Tap plus icon to expand a category that you want to add to. Enter number of gears sold in the box present beside the gear types. Tap on Submit option after entering the gear sellout numbers. Once submitted successfully, you get confirmation on screen. Then, tap OK. Once the form is submitted, entries so far is incremented by 1. and the pending value as 1 shows that submission has not yet saved on database. Tap on the arrow icon beside Gear Sellout to see whether submission has synced with database. The round sync icon shows that submission has not yet saved on database. Once saved, the sync icon disappears, and pending value turns to 0 in Gear Sellout section under your activities. Do you have number of mobiles sold by competitors? Then, go ahead and add competitors sellout on Tribe app. Under Dashboard, go to your activities. Then, go to Competition Sales Reporting. Tap on Start option. Tap plus icon to expand and to see device models of competitor companies. After expanding, enter the number of mobiles sold by competitor company. Tap on Submit after entering data. Once submitted successfully, you get confirmation on the screen and click OK. Once the form is submitted, entries so far is incremented by 1. And the pending value as 1 shows that submission has not yet saved on database. Tap on the arrow icon beside Competition Sales Reporting to see whether submission has synced with database. The round sync icon shows that submission has not yet saved on database. Once saved, the sync icon disappears, and pending value turns to 0 in Competition Sales Reporting section under your activities.